The eyedropper tool can be used to copy appearance of a shape or to sample color from an artwork. It is located here on the toolbar. I have drawn some basic shapes to demonstrate the use of eyedropper tool. Say I want to apply the appearance of this square to this square. I can very easily do this using the eyedropper tool. So first select the square that you want to apply the effect and then select the eyedropper tool. Now just click on this square to copy the appearance to the target square. Similarly, I can apply a gradient or a pattern to the target square if I like. Now if you double click on the eyedropper tool, you can customize many options here. Here you can decide what the eyedropper tool will pick up. Say I don't want the color to be copied. So if I uncheck this box and now when I use the eyedropper tool, the fill color is not applied to the target square, only the stroke is applied. Likewise, you can customize many options here. Similarly, you can use the eyedropper tool to copy the appearance of a text if you like. So here I have two texts with different fonts, and let's say I want to apply this font to this text. So just select the target text first and then choose the eyedropper tool and click on the source text to copy the appearance. So this sums up the eyedropper tool.